Why should you buy these stocks? The stocks which I'm going to recommend you today are the market leaders in their sectors, and most importantly, they are at their lowest due to some virus, HMBP virus, and other things. So, hello guys, my name is Aditya Datta, and I have done my 12th in commerce. So, without wasting any time, let's start the video. So the first stock which I am going to recommend is Keynes Technology. This stock has given 129.52% return in his sector and to his shareholders, and the sector return was only 27.30%. So this is a very good. This you can go for this share. It is a very good share. So the next stock which I am going to recommend is Hale. Hindustan Aeronautics. This stock has given 27.35% in the return in the last 5 years. So all the shares I'm telling can pop in the screen. You can please check it. Third share which I'm going to recommend is HDFC Bank. One point to be noted: this share has given negative return, means minus 1.5% negative in the last 1 year. But I have the reason behind it, I have recommend this share to you all because this share is a market leader and has a very high weightage in the Nifty and Bank Nifty. The number 4 stock which I'm going to recommend you is TCS, Tata Consultancy Service. It has given 8.25% return in last 1 year, and it has a good market capitalization. The next share, which is bonus share, which I'm going to recommend you should have this share in the portfolio, that is State Bank of India, SBIN. This share has provided 18% return in the last 1 year, whereas on sector return was only 7%. So these were the 5 shares which I recommend you. So if you have liked the video, please like the video and please subscribe my channel.